Hello students, let's practice in sequence and backward counting 1 to 50. Listen carefully and repeat. Practice in sequence and backward. Sequence. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follows a particular rule. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, and so on. Backward. Backward means counting in reverse order, that is, from a bigger number to a smaller number. For example, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, so on. Happy learning!